Welcome back to Rider Zone, and today we're diving into the 2026 SUVW-X9, a next-generation electric MPV that's turning heads with its tech, space, luxury, and performance. If you're making a video that runs about 5 minutes, this script will keep your audience engaged from start to finish. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Rider Zone. Today we're exploring the 2026 SUVW-X9, a futuristic all-electric multi-purpose vehicle that blends spacious comfort, cutting-edge tech, and surprising performance into one sleek package. Whether you're cruising with family, heading out on a road trip, or just want the ultimate daily driver, this vehicle brings a lot to the table. Let's start with design and exterior. The SUVW-X9 adopts a smooth, aerodynamic body that's big but elegant. It measures roughly 5,316 mm long, 1,988 mm wide and 1,785 mm tall, with a long 3,160 mm wheelbase that translates into generous interior space. The front fascia is modern and clean, while LED lighting and sleek alloy wheels give it a premium look you don't see every day. Auto Kango. Moving inside, the interior is where the X9 really shines. You're greeted with a luxurious 3-row setup that comfortably seats 7 in a 2-2-3 layout with captain's chairs in the middle. High-end materials, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof create a premium atmosphere for every passenger. Second-row seats often come with 14-way electric adjustment and even zero-gravity recline modes, so long rides feel effortless. Peak Auto. Tech lovers will feel right at home here. The X9 delivers a large 21.4-inch infotainment touchscreen, advanced voice control, and wireless smartphone connectivity. Some trims offer dual wireless charging pads, folding tables, and even luxe amenities like a built-in refrigerator, perfect for long road trips or family travel. Paul Tan's Automotive News. Under the hood, this is a fully electric vehicle. Depending on the market and model, power outputs can vary, but many versions deliver around 320 to 450 HP, 235 to 330 kilowatts and 450 nanometers of torque, with a top speed near 200 km/h. Acceleration is brisk for a vehicle of this size, with some variants reaching 0 to 100 km/h in under 8 seconds. ZIG Wheels +1. Battery and range are major selling points. With battery options such as 84.5 kWh LFP and up to 101.5 kWh NMC, the X9 can travel up to around 500 to 590 km on a charge under WLTP estimates, and fast charging means getting from 10 to 80% in as little as 20 minutes on DC chargers. ZIG Wheels +1. Safety and driver assistance are equally solid. You get features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system, great for parking and tight maneuvers with such a large vehicle. Paul Tan's Automotive News. Another thoughtful touch is handling. Despite its size, the SUVW-X9 uses rear-wheel steering and air suspension to keep turning radius tight and ride comfort high, whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the highway. Paul Tan's Automotive News. On the price front, pricing varies by region, but for example, in Pakistan, a long-range variant of the 2026 X9 is listed at around PKR 28,500,000 ex-factory, offering impressive value for all this tech and space. Peak Wheels. So overall, the 2026 SUVW-X9 isn't just an ordinary MPV, it's a family SUV with electric power, plenty of space, tech galore, and comfort that rivals luxury vehicles. If you're after a spacious EV that doesn't skimp on features or performance, this one deserves your attention. Thanks for watching this deep dive here on Rider Zone. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss our latest reviews and EV breakdowns. Comment below what you'd like us to test drive next, and we'll see you in the next video. Automobile High Voltage.